Today, I'm going to briefly explain to you how you can create tax-free wealth and passive income using a properly structured life insurance policy, regardless of if it's called infinite banking, be your own bank, velocity banking. It's all the same thing, essentially using a properly structured life insurance policy to create wealth. Now, here's the thing. You need to know 4 very important things in order to make this strategy work for you. Firstly, you need the correct type of policy. Now, this has to do with the fact that there are 2 main categories of life insurance policies. You have your term insurance policy or temporary insurance policies, and you also have what's called your permanent life insurance policy. Your permanent life insurance policy setups are exactly what you need because you have a savings account built into the policy. That savings account is exactly what we need in order to effectively use life insurance to create wealth, to create tax-free income. Second thing we need is to have that policy properly designed. We need a policy that is properly designed, meaning a policy that complies with IRS code 7702, which states in layman's terms that the policy must have a minimum amount of death benefit and have limitations on how much premium can be invested in that policy at any given point in time. The third thing we need to do is we have to properly fund that policy. You get out of it what you put into it. And this is where a lot of people make huge mistakes, and I'm going to teach you about that in my upcoming workshop. We have to make sure that we are monitoring our plan. This is not a laissez-faire setup where you set it and forget it. You need to be working with an advisor, with an agent that can help you manage this process, manage the policy, so that in later years you have a plan that will work exactly as it is illustrated to you. It does you no good to learn about this strategy of using life insurance or any other wealth accumulation play if you are drowning in credit card debt. You don't have the correct system or strategy to get yourself out of debt, to free up cash flow. You don't know how to view your cash flow. We have to make sure that we are rounding out this discussion of wealth accumulation with the other elements that are needed for us to build wealth on a solid foundation. And that is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you in the upcoming workshop. Somewhere around the screen, you should see a button or a link to register for the upcoming workshop. In that workshop, I'm going to be doing a deeper dive. I'm going to be answering some of your questions, and you're going to leave that workshop. I guarantee you're going to leave that workshop on fire, because I promise you, the information that I'm going to be sharing has not been shared anywhere. And if it has been shared, it hasn't been shared as thoroughly as I'm going to share it in the upcoming workshop. My goal, our goal at the Black Wealth Company is to help Black Americans. We don't care what color you are, but our niche, our specialty, our emphasis is in helping Black families close the racial wealth gap. And one of the easiest ways to do that is using life insurance. The most significant things that you need to know as a consumer is that your life insurance policy can be an asset if you have the correct type of policy and if that policy is properly structured. And that is exactly what we do at the Black Wealth Company, is we help individuals design properly structured policies that can help them achieve their wealth accumulation goals. A properly structured life insurance policy is one of the best kept secrets in the market. I invite you to attend our live event where I am going to teach you exactly what you need to do in order to start using your life insurance policy today to start creating tax-free wealth, creating tax-free income for yourself and for your family. Somewhere below this video, to the side of this video, you should see a link that allows you to click and register. I invite you to register. I'm going to be answering your questions. I'm going to be doing a deeper dive. I can only go so much into detail in this short video, but in the workshop, that's going to create the opportunity for you to ask as many questions as possible and start using this strategy today. Life insurance is the secret wealth accumulation vehicle that most people have never heard of, never have known that they could use their life insurance policy to create wealth, to create capital, their own bank, while they are alive. And that is exactly what we will be teaching in the workshop. And when it comes to retirement planning, when you're thinking about the future, how to protect your future retirement income, how to protect the money that you've already accumulated in your 401k, in your IRA, your TSP, your 457, your 401a, life insurance can be the vehicle that you use to not only protect that retirement income and those retirement assets, but actually help you achieve risk-free growth during a recession. You're able to grow and protect your money without any future worries about your future financial security.